Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard's design with the FontsArt application. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First off, open the app. Here on the top right corner, you can skip this for now. And on the screen down, you will see the menu, fonts, keyboards, themes, icons, stories. And you will tap on the keyboards. Here you will have a lot of options and you can choose which one would you like. I will try this pink one. And here the app will ask you to switch to FontsArt. You tap on it and you choose the FontsArt and your keyboard is ready. Let's try it. Here you will see my new pink keyboard. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.